Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make cheesecake sticks, full guide. Preheat oven to 325 degrees F and line a baking sheet. Begin by creaming room temperature cream cheese with sugar and vanilla until smooth, then add eggs one at a time. Press crust into a pan, pour filling, and bake gently until set but slightly jiggly. Cool completely, refrigerate, then cut into sticks and serve with toppings. To achieve a silky filling, beat cream cheese slowly and scrape the bowl often, keeping it dense and creamy. Add eggs separately so the batter stays stable and doesn't separate. Sweeten to taste and fold in extras like lemon zest, berry puree, or melted chocolate in small amounts for even flavor. Avoid overmixing and always strain if you see lumps for perfect, custardy cheesecake sticks every time. Quick recommendation and a small ad break. If you are finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like. On another note, I love the book The Simple Path to Wealth for practical money wisdom that pairs well with baking budgeting, save for ingredients or a new mixer. Check the description for the link and other deals, and pick it up if it speaks to you. Now let's get back to the video. Bake at a moderate temperature to prevent cracks, and test for doneness by a gentle jiggle in the center. For extra smooth texture, place your pan in a water bath to regulate heat and humidity. After baking, cool slowly by leaving the oven door slightly open to avoid rapid temperature changes that cause cracking. Then, chill the cheesecake sticks overnight so they firm up and slice cleanly for serving.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.